Got a Stichfix box today. You know, it's like one of those things that you get and has clothes in it. So let's open it. Okay, so on the inside it's nice and pretty and blue. Got a bag for sitting back stuff that I don't like. Got a little envelope telling me what I got. The July Stitch Fix Box Challenge. I don't know what this is talking about. Just reading it. Ooh. That's cute. Got these pieces. You're about to see them. Ooh, hey, it's not as expensive as last time, I gotta say. Oh, this is my second one. Let's get into it. There's these black shorts right here with like a little thing down it. We got ourselves whatever these things are called. It's black, obviously. Probably see colors. There's another one of these. Oh no. This one's a shirt. And it's like a stretchy kind of thing. There's this blue romper. Focus. See, nice, nice. And a white. One thingy. Cool. There. Now, to see them on. Let's go. Okay, here's the white top with the black shorts. It's a, you can see my nice tan line here. Could not wear this to school. Okay, then there's this shirt with the same shorts. It feels weird, but it's really cute, so maybe keeping this. To the next one. Okay, and now there's this black shirt, not shirt, it's like a tank top thing that like goes all the way down. It's like the white one with my favorite red shorts. You know, this one is the last one. It's like a little romper and it has pockets. And I feel like it needs something. It's too much of the same color. I don't know, that's something that I don't like because whenever it's all the same color, I want to have like a different, it can't all be the same. It just annoys me. I don't know why. But the Stitch Fix box wasn't too bad. My last one was better, I would say. I think I'm gonna keep all of it because I really like it. Like, I like it enough where I know I'm gonna wear it. But yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.